Hey girlies, it's Augusta. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for some vanity jewelry makeup inspiration, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to be giving you a full vanity tour showing you my makeup, hair care, skincare, and some of my staple jewelries and how I display them, as you can see right there behind me. All as aesthetic as I can. I have quite a lot of products, so let's get into the tour. Here is my little bathroom with my makeup mirror. One of my favorite places, so white and aesthetic. Love my bathroom because this is where all the magic happens and I get ready. Skincare is back there behind me, but first we're gonna start off with the makeup. In this top drawer here. So in this top drawer, you can see I have a lot of makeup going on. I'm gonna show you from right to left. First up, I've laid out all my powder products and my cream-based products just so that I can see it all and grab it very easily. This drawer is only my makeup products that I grab often rather than my occasional ones, which are down there in the second drawer. So that's just in a big bag, but this is the main makeup that I'm going to show you on this tour today. Starting here, this whole row right here is powder highlighters. I've got my favorite Prada highlighter, an Hourglass, and I've tried to match up the shapes and brands as aesthetically as I can. These are honestly my holy grail products that I reach for on a daily basis. And here you can see my blushes. I absolutely love this Rare Beauty blush. It is such a pretty shade. It comes out so pretty and pigmented on your cheeks. If you're looking for a very pigmented kind of highlightery blush, I recommend this one. And then I also recommend this Prada Beauty highlighter. I'm just obsessed with the packaging itself. It's kind of like a mirror in the packaging. It's also a rose gold kind of shade. It's like a blush and highlighter in one. It gives you the perfect natural hue. Just obsessed. If you want to see me using these, I have so many makeup tutorials which I will link below, but I'm just going to go through a few of my faves. I love this Givenchy Prism Leave 4-in-1 powder. It's loose powder, but because it has 4 colors and some of them are sparkly, it kind of gets all the color correcting in there. It's perfect. I love it. And of course, the NARS Pot Concealer is such a staple. So here we've got my powders, concealer, bronzers, blush, highlight. Got my liquid highlight, my Rare Beauty products, loving these at the moment. My luminizer, contour sticks, liquid blushes, and this is a tint that is blush and lip in one. So we've got my whole selection there. Loving this blush for fall and just coming out of summer, so that was one of my faves in summer as well. And these are so pigmented, so these are when I want a more subtle blush, more intense blush, more subtle bronzer, more intense bronzer. Love a liquid highlight too. Then here in this little section right here, we have all of my setting sprays here and here, and my foundation and tinted moisturizer. Of course, we've got my e.l.f. Halo Glow, my fave Super Goop Protectant Tinted Sunscreen, such a good natural base, and it really makes you look naturally glowy. Full coverage Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Optimizing Mist. This is actually running out, so I need a new one. Wouldn't be me without some bronzing drops, because I definitely need that because I'm a pale girly. And my favorite foundation actually is this. It's a serum and foundation in one, so I love it, from Max Factor. It's super nice. They gifted it to me and I was really shocked with how good and easily it blends and how flawless it makes your skin look. Next up over here, I have this little pot right here with my brushes in. All of my thinner brushes, my eyebrow brushes, my eyeshadow, eyeliner, and my eyelash curl up. This little pot here, which is all my lip products. I'm going to show you them here. I love these Rimmel London Butter Me Up lip glosses. They're super nice and glossy. Same with the Gloss Me Up lip gloss. I put that in my drugstore faves video, so check that out too. Wouldn't be me without some Rhode. This is actually my eyebrow tweezers, but they just fit perfectly in that little pouch there. My Wonder Skin lip tint. Rare Beauty kindly sent me a bunch of their lip glosses. These are 2 of my faves. So these aren't all my lip glosses, but these are the ones that I have on reach. As I mentioned, this is my cycling makeup area where I have all the ones I use very often, easy to grab so that it's more organized and not too cluttered with stuff I don't use that much. Right here we have all of my eyeshadow and face palettes. Got some nude ones, some ones. I love this Naked Edge Robin Eisenberg one. Got my Morphe palette and my curve case under here. It's my Valentino mini eyeshadow palette. This one's perfect for traveling. It has some shimmers and mattes and it's little and compact. Over here we have my face brushes that are my larger brushes from Real Techniques, as well as my two mascaras. These are my Holy Grail mascaras. My brown mascara is the Thrill Seeker and the black one is the L'Oreal Telescopic. Highly recommend them both. Over here we have all my eyeliners. So that's liquid eyeliners. I've got a black one, a dark blue and a brown, and then also my pencil eyeliners too for my waterline, blue, brown and black, because I have blue eyes, so I like to do blue makeup too. Here is my eyebrow products. That's my eyebrow gels and my eyebrow pencil. And then right here we have my lip liners. You can never have enough lip liners. And this little place here is for my beauty blender, my tape for my eye makeup, my little clips, and my sharpener and my powder puff. So there you have all the makeup. Now on to skincare. Now that you've seen my makeup, a lot of that I'm actually wearing on my face right now. We're gonna go into this little cabinet right here for all of my skincare products. I recently got this moisturizer, the Bioma moisturizer, because I'm a huge fan of the Tatcha one, but I just couldn't justify continually buying it every month. So I found this one and it's honestly an excellent dupe. It's a clean brand, feels really similar on my skin, and the packaging is so cute. So I highly recommend this so far. It also has niacinamide and green tea, skin barrier boosting. Then I love this, what is it? Sibley Skin Paris. I got this from a French pharmacy. I use it in the morning. It's a very pricey serum, but it honestly has been really good for making my skin look so bouncy and radiant, like I've been taking collagen all the time. And it also balances my skin and helps me with breakouts, because I struggle with some breakouts around the chin area. Of course, I need my La Roche-Posay sunscreen 50+. Make sure you're wearing your SPF every day, girlies. I like to use this at night. It's actually a little sample they gave me when I went to the French pharmacy. The Skin Cuticles Blemish and Age Defense Serum for around my chin area as well, where I get breakouts. At night, make sure you're wearing your eye cream. At the moment, I like the Triple Essence eye cream from DHG, but I'm really not fussy about my eye cream. As long as I have one that is making my eyes look nice and bright and rejuvenated, that's all I need. To remove my makeup at night, I use the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I used to use micellar water, but honestly, this has been a game changer. I used to dread taking my makeup off, and this makes it so easy. And your skin feels so nice, and you can just like melt your makeup off. So definitely recommend getting a makeup melter if you are just using makeup wipes, which you should not be using, or micellar water, because that's very drying for your skin. Next up, I also got this from my French pharmacy. I have a little vlog on my TikTok, so you can go check that out if you want to see all the stuff I got. This little lip mask, which I've been meaning to use. That's why I have it in my main skincare area. And then all my extras are in here. As you can tell, the top drawer is for my main stuff, bottom is for just the extra stuff that you don't use so much. I also have this Medicube Vitamin C cream. This is really good for brightening in the morning, and I used it under my makeup. It kind of acts like a really nice skin evener and primer, and it makes your makeup glide on a lot easier and also makes you brighten your skin. So I use this on days where I feel a bit dull. Just want to like look my absolute best. I don't use it that often, but it's definitely in here because I'll use it like once or twice a week. At night time, I'm always wanting my lips to be hydrated, so I use this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in vanilla scent, and it just makes my lips feel nice and hydrated at night as well. So make sure you're wearing a lip balm when you go to sleep at the end of your nighttime skincare routine. Last but not least, as I mentioned, I love an under eye mask, and I recently got these ones from it's actually Korean skincare. I went to a Korean based spa that is based in Korean beauty techniques, and I got these, so I trust that spa fully and wholeheartedly. And I got these retinol eye patches, really good for underaging and brightening. I really used to struggle with under eye bags, and I feel like I still get under eye bags because I'm human, but I have really improved my brightening, and the under eye cream and under eye mask have really helped and been a big contributor in that. So here is skincare and here is my hair care. So let's move on to hair care now. Firstly, I just wanted to show you my Kerastase hair mask. This is a repairing mask for damaged hair because I dye my hair. This is honestly the best thing ever. I feel like I can feel that my hair is so much more glossy. I also use the Kerastase Blonde Absolute. This is shampoo for blonde hair. I actually shampooed twice, once with my Wella Ultimate Repair. This one is literally empty because I use so much of it. I used this all last night, so that's why it's all in here. Then I mix this with my hair mask when I do my shower hair mask to tone my hair if I feel like it's a bit brassy. And my Bioma body wash, just like the moisturizer. I actually bought this body wash and then I saw the moisturizer. I was like, oh, I love this brand. After my shower, I like to put the Wella Ultimate Repair leave-in. I highly recommend Wella and Kerastase for hair, as well as some coconut oil on my skin or hair, just 100% pure and natural. I think that's the best way to go. Or you can use it for a slick back to oil your hair before you wash it. This is actually, I love this brand. It's quite pricey. Going on a night out, skin will be so glowy. It's good for hair and skin. You can use it for everything. The Nukes, I highly recommend this and I love it. It's kind of like a bougie body oil. This one is my more cheaper golden mist for when I'm going out all over my legs and all that. I love using the Nivea Oil and Lotion Vanilla and Almond Oil. That's why I have it in this big tub with a pump, because it's an oil and a moisturizer and it smells so good. So I use this pretty much every day, or I'll alternate it depending on if I'm fake tanning with my Dove Self-Tan Lotion Moisturizer. So I kind of just alternate depending on if I want to tan or just moisturize. Here I've just got my fake tanning mitt and my Loving Tan. I love the Intense Ultra Dark Loving Tan. This is usually for winter. Right now I'm a little bit tan, so I've just been using the Dove, but it depends on my vibe. I kind of alternate between these body products. So that's that cupboard done. Coming over to my vanity in my bedroom right here is just my simple little desk. Gonna give you a jewelry tour, but firstly I have just a couple things in here. I like to blow dry my hair here, so I've got my dry shampoo, my styling hairbrush and a couple claw clips just for styling my hair in here, and my deodorant. I love this brand, the Native Coconut and Vanilla. I love a coconut and vanilla scent and it's really good for you. This brand doesn't have any of the bad stuff in it, as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to be showing you my jewelry tour. I do my hair here in this little mirror. My jewelry is just like my cute little desk, not for my makeup but just for like doing stuff in my room that isn't my makeup, or if I want to do my hair or just chill and sit down instead of in my bathroom where I have to stand. I got this little jewelry stand from Amazon. I got it a while ago, so I'm going to try and link a similar one for you guys. And I've also got this cute little jewelry dish. I highly recommend getting a little dish for your rings or small pieces of jewelry. This really nice little shell box. This is some of my belly rings and some smaller pieces that just aren't as aesthetic to put on display. I have that all in there. Then I've got my watch here, all of my rings in here, and a couple of stud small earrings that are just easy to grab on hand. And then I decided to hang up all of my stuff. So I've got my stone bracelet of crystals, my nice hoop earrings, my two favorite necklaces. I love this flower one for a more statement look, and then this emerald one from Kendra Scott for everyday that I actually designed myself. Customized it myself, but they have similar ones on their website, and I love this necklace. I get so many compliments because it's double chained, so it looks like two necklaces in one. I have a theme with my jewelry that it's all gold and green, and you'll see that when I show you my staple everyday jewelry. This is my favorite little charm bracelet. I've got a couple charms here as well, and as you can see, more gold and green. I've got my nice dangly earrings here, and then my golden hoops. These little bows are so cute. I love them. They are from Addicted, actually. These are super fun for a classy dinner when I want to look a bit more bougie and sophisticated. I get so many compliments on these earrings, and I love to pair it with this flower necklace, even though they don't technically go together. I got them in Spain. I wish I could link them for you guys, but I have a similar ones linked to my LTK that I'll link below that are very similar, and I actually saw a lot of Love Island girls wearing things like this. Got my silver hoops for when I want to do a silver moment, and these cute little lightweight hoops that have some pearls on it, since I love a pearl detail and I think they are so in at the moment. On to showing you my everyday staple jewelry. Here is what I wear pretty much every day when I just don't think about it. First, I'm starting with my watch. This is my watch. I actually got this when I was like 16, and I love that it's gold and silver because when I got it, I was a silver jewelry girly. Now I'm gold, so you can basically wear it with either. So if you're gonna get a nice watch, I recommend getting one that's both because then you can mix metals with it. I love also that it's mother of pearl face, and I think it's just so pretty. Here is my charm bracelet that I was showing you guys, and I'm gonna put that one on. It's got a charm with my name on it and everything, and then I've got such a nice thing to have a charm bracelet, and then people can gift you charms and they each have a nice memory. This other bracelet is actually a permanent bracelet that I don't take off, so that's why it wasn't on my jewelry stand. I also don't really take out my earrings. These are my daily studs that I wear pretty much every day. Are emerald. Here I've got the golden green theme, and my hoop here is golden green on my hoop here too. And my second piercings are just natural like white stone. They're literally ones that I got them pierced with ages ago, but I just really liked those earrings, so I kept them. I have this necklace which I showed you guys, the Kendra Scott one. You can see it a bit better up close. I love how it's kind of like hexagonal. I think it's a hexagon, it's that 6 size shape. It just elevates your outfit. I highly recommend getting a staple jewelry set that you just wear every day. It doesn't have to be super expensive. It was pretty reasonable, this necklace as well, actually, for what it is, and then you can put it on every day and look put together with zero effort. Last but not least, we have my rings, which are the most fun bit, I think. I already have my Aura ring on. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like an Apple Watch, but in a ring form, geared towards women, and I actually really like it. I use it all the time, tracks my sleep, my stress, my activity, hormones, like everything. Then I've got this nice LV ring that my sister actually got me for my 21st birthday. I like to wear that on my 4th finger because that's where it fits best. This lovely golden green again ring that my friend gave me for my 21st as well, from Paris. I love it, it's so beautiful. And then I have this nice diamond ring that my dad gave me for Christmas. I just get a lot of jewelry presents, and I feel like this is just simple. I used to wear like more rings, but it's really nice to have simple, especially since I have quite a lot of jewelry on in general. But there you have it, the full vanity and jewelry and hair care and skincare tour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Comment your favorite section of the video or favorite product, as well as subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like if you haven't already. If you like this video, I have so many similar ones linked down below, as well as hauls, vlogs and makeup tutorials. Be sure to check that out. Let me know what you guys would like to see next if you can comment that below. I love to hear your feedback and I'm super open to it. Someone actually requested this video, so that's why I made it for you. So I do listen to you guys and I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.